Hello everyone! Welcome back to Beyond Gluten. Today, we have a fantastic gluten-free recipe for you, crispy and flavorful potato cutlets. Let's dive right in. Start by boiling the potatoes until they're soft. Once they're ready, peel and mash them in a large bowl. Now, let's amp up the flavor. Add finely chopped onions, grated carrot, boiled green peas, if using, chopped green chili, grated ginger, and minced garlic to the mashed potatoes. Time to add some spice. Sprinkle in cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and salt. Mix everything well to ensure those flavors blend harmoniously. The aromatic touch. Toss in a handful of chopped coriander leaves for that burst of freshness. Now for the crispy exterior. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl, and in another bowl, place your gluten-free breadcrumbs. Shape the potato mixture into small, flat patties or round cutlets. Dip each cutlet in the beaten eggs, and then coat them generously with gluten-free breadcrumbs. It's sizzling time. Heat oil in a pan for frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the cutlets in the pan. Fry the cutlets until they achieve that beautiful golden brown color on both sides. This is where the magic happens. And there you have it, our delicious gluten-free potato cutlets. Serve them hot with your favorite ketchup or chutney. Feel free to customize the recipe by adding or omitting ingredients based on your taste preferences. Enjoy your delicious homemade potato cutlets. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beyond Gluten for more gluten-free goodness. Until next time, happy cooking